Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to find the battery. As you can see, at the very bottom we've got the option connected with the battery percentage, and in my case it is turned on. However, if you've got it turned off, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and now your device will immediately show the battery percentage next to the battery icon, and this is the only way to display it. For example, we cannot show it inside the battery. And of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.